the second one is totally different. It's called light at the top of the head and light at the temples. And so it has two distinct pieces to it. So first of all, we sink a little bit and you bring that energy up. I called it sort of like dipping into water and bringing it up above the crown, up above your head. You sink again, and now you come up onto the balls of your feet. Once, twice, 3 times, and then as you come in, you start doing the circles. And I'm just going to count off about, let's say, 6 times around, 5, 6, whatever feels like it gets you connected with your hands, that they're not just floating around up there. And then hold. You hold for about the same period of time. So just, you've mixed up that energy, you might say, and then you're really getting a feel of how it sits there. Now you've awakened it above your head, about the same amount of time. You can kind of think of doing it for about as long as you do like a resting position. So say about like 6 seconds or something like that to the head, and you do that circular motion, that mixing. And so you're kind of coming down and around the back and forward. It's kind of that way that we do these circular motions about 6-ish times. This is not written in stone, but however many times you do it, then hold for about the same period of time and just see how much you can kind of get the sense of the energy there. And I'm just kind of in this kind of slightly dropped position, as if I was in a bit of a resting position. And then, once I've done that, then up and out 3 times again. Once, twice, feeling that charge grab. And then the 3rd time, as you come out, you keep going down and around. And left hand a little bit more to the inside. You come up in front of yourself, just up to about the chest, and come down into a resting position. Close for the briefest moment, and then sink again, and bring that energy up beside the sides of your head, the temples part of it. And here we go again, sinking up onto the balls of the feet. Up onto the balls of the feet. And the 3rd time, and then come in, around, and hold. And the hold has a real intentionality about it. And if you ever watched that Harry Potter movie where they've got the pensieve, where Dumbledore reaches into this, out of his brain, and puts all this stuff into this globe to hold too much information in his head. And so it's got a similar kind of thing. We're kind of working into our head, and now we're going to come up and out and release whatever awakening of charge awareness we've had twice. And the 3rd time, up and down, cupped. These cupped hands, you can see I'm cupping. If I'm going sideways, I'll show you it as like my left hand. I'm cupping with the left hand coming upwards and inwards, and then to my resting position. So in this movement, your feet are staying close together, so it's got a lot similar to bird flaps its wings. Right? There's no stepping out with this one.